Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today it's another easy, simple recipe. This is great for parties, it's great for the holiday season, it's great for the new year or the upcoming Super Bowl. It's great to take to work. So it's a simple recipe, only a few ingredients. Beer cheese dip. Yep, you heard me, beer cheese dip. How can you go wrong with that? So, simple to throw together. I put out a little survey on my Facebook page asking if what people were wanting to see, if it was sides or desserts or appetizers, and quite a few of you mentioned that you wanted appetizers. I'm going to do some sides and stuff this week as well, but I'm going to give you a couple of goodies here also so that it's easy to take away and last minute stuff, most things you have on hand. And I think of it is too, a lot of people aren't doing the big full-blown dinners anymore. A lot of them are just doing, you know, dishes that they take and snack on through the holiday. We always did that for Christmas Eve. You know, Christmas Day was the big dinner. So, beer cheese dip. Let's get to it. The ingredients are simple. 2 8-ounce packs of Philadelphia cream cheese. I have the big jumbo size, so I cut off 2 8-ounce portions there in one block. Ranch dip mix, 1 packet, 1/3 of a beer, and of course we're using Yuengling lager, and then 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I softened my cream cheese a little bit. Throw in the ranch packet, throw in the cheddar cheese, and about 1/3 of a beer. That's pretty good. Yuengling lager. Now we're going to mix it up. So I mixed this up. I'm going to put it in the microwave and nuke it for about a minute or so till it melts the other cheese, and then we're going to give it another stir. And that's it. So there you can see it. And we'll get it ready to serve up. And I like serving it with pretzels, and I like these. I like the stouter, darker, heavy pretzels for this. And there it is. You know what comes next. So, test time. You can see the dip here. There you go. And if it chills up, it'll firm up even more. I did this as a warm version, but you can do either a cold version or warm. Just chill it for an hour or two before you take it if you're going to do the cold version. So, oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this won't last long. And of course you gotta wash it down with PA's Finest Beer. And another note for people who are wondering, if you're looking for this brand, I mean it's here in Pennsylvania because this company is actually from Hanover, PA. And they're really good. So, and like I said, with the beer dip, these bolder ones are, and heavier pretzels are the way to go. So, that did not even take me 10 minutes to whip that up. So something super easy, just a few ingredients, and you can take something that everybody will love at the party. So that's my appetizer today for Helga's Happy Holidays series. More coming later this week, and now you got some new ideas.